Hi there, Econ students. So today we're going to be looking at that 1.8 Unit 1 presentation project. For this project, you have a lot of choice, so make sure you pay attention to your choices. First, you can choose how you are going to present it using one of the following technology presentation tools. So Prezi, remember if you'd use Prezi, make sure you submit a working link to the assignment. Google Slides, and again, same thing, working link, and PowerPoint, okay? You can upload your file to the assignment if you do that, okay? Please also know that this is going to take about 3 to 4 hours. This is a culminating project that we have at the end of units that allows for us to kind of display our knowledge. But not only do you have an option in how you're going to present it, you have an option in what you want to present. So the first option is in economic systems, okay? So if you choose this option, you're going to want to make sure you provide an introduction to the major types of economic systems. You want to compare and contrast traditional market and command economies. Be sure to explain similarities and differences between each of these. You also want to explain advantages and disadvantages of these types of economies. Okay? Provide examples as well of one nation that exemplifies each type of economic system. You'll need to research and cite your sources, and you must make sure that you can justify why this nation is characteristic of the identified economic system with specified examples. So research and cite those sources, okay? You want to provide a conclusion summarizing what you have learned so you can kind of tell me some of your big takeaways, okay? Your second option, if that does not appeal to you, is business organizations. So provide an introduction to the major types of business organizations. Compare and contrast sole proprietorship, partnerships, and corporations. You also want to explain the advantages and disadvantages of those three. Provide examples of one business that exemplifies each type of organization. Research and cite, because you'll need to back up and justify why this business is characteristic of the identified businesses, okay? The business organizations. And then provide a conclusion summarizing what you have learned, again, for those big takeaways. As you do this, please make sure you are following these presentation guidelines. You do want to make sure that your title slide includes that relevant title and your first and last name with appropriate image. You want to also be sure to add one or more related pictures per slide. Utilizing those pictures, colors, easy to read fonts and everything like that, that goes under your creativity for this particular project, because you definitely always want to look at your rubric, okay? So make sure you look there for that information. And finally, kind of all of these together, I do want you to make sure that you are using bulleted information. Summary is what I like. If you're putting a big paragraph on there, you probably just copied and pasted it from somewhere. I want to see your ideas, okay? So that really comes from you taking the information and synthesizing it down and making it into easy to read bullet points, okay? That is a big factor for this project. So please let me know if you have any questions. Make sure again that you review the rubric down here, okay, before you complete the presentation. And please let me know if you have any questions. I'm looking forward to seeing your work. Thank you, guys.